DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely BMW 520D. It is the M Sport. Lovely condition. It's the blacky bluey colour. I can't remember the colour, I've just been trying to remember. It's absolutely stunning condition. M Sport body styling kit, M Sport alloys, park distance control, twin exhausts. Boot area's been well looked after. Full leather interior, electric windows, electric mirrors. Seats are in absolutely fantastic condition. It's done 105,724 miles. It's got the media pack, DAB, satellite navigation, Bluetooth. Got heated seats, 3 stages here, paddle shift on the gearbox, automatic headlights, cruise control, different driving modes. Absolutely lovely climate control, aux and USB. Car looks absolutely fabulous for its age and mileage. At DJ's with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For require any further information, please call 07503 751 005. Thank you.